Welcome! Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how Wrike can help simplify collaboration and boost productivity. Let's zoom in on a project that requires multiple tasks and teammates to get it over the line. With Wrike, you can bring all teams together in one flexible workflow to effectively orchestrate, well, anything. Each task can be a treasure trove of information. Here, you can add context by attaching links, images, and documents, so everyone stays on the same page. Collaborate on the same task at the same time to never miss a beat. Sharing work across teammates is simple. Invite them to provide feedback by simply @mentioning them to get their attention. From there, they can see the complete history of the task within the stream view. Proofing and approvals can be a major roadblock. With Wrike, you can accelerate delivery by putting in place an effective review process. Provide feedback within images, videos, documents, and HTML assets. Once you're happy, submit your approval. It's that easy. It's easy to get lost in a sea of notifications from different tools. In your Wrike inbox, you have a single source to stay ahead of the game. Get full visibility of tasks assigned to you, @mentions, and any other important updates, removing the need to check in across multiple platforms. Whether you're managing personal work or delivering on cross-functional projects, Wrike's collaboration engine makes teamwork structured and simple. Try it now and see how you can boost productivity and collaboration.